Learn to detect trading market and range bound market. Why need to identify market is trading or it's a range bound? There is a lots of strategy available in the internet. The 90% of trading strategy works well in trading market, but it gives a lot of fail signal when the market is a range bound or a side. So people are losing their money when actual trade is losing their money in sideway market, but when actual trade is coming they miss this trade because they think it is a sideway market, so they miss the big move and take a loss in a range bound market. So it is required to know the market is trading or a range bound. So how can we detect the market is trading or range bound? So here we are going to show you one of the great indicators that tells you the market is trading or a range bound. It's called as adaptive moving average. It have three parameters: the efficiency ratio, faster EMA constant, and slower EMA constant. We have given a complete guide of calculation and their Excel sheet on our website. Here it is a link. You can also find it on a description. I'm just showing you the details. It is a adaptive moving average to detecting a trading market, and it's a range bound market. It's have three parameters. We can set value, it's 10, 2 and 30. First, how to calculate the efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio is a change divided by the volatility. A change is the close minus the close with the 10 days period, 10 days or 10 periods ago. Means if we are going to the 5-minute bar, then previous 10-minute bar close and current bar close, we have subtract this value. It's called as a change, and volatility is a sum of the close minus previous close of the last efficiency day, means the 10 days of the sum. Okay, so it's a so it give you the efficiency ratio we need to calculate, and its complete calculation is available here. And you, if you don't wanted to do create your Excel on your own basis, just download it from here. You can find it as in a free. Okay, so now we just check how the adaptive moving average is work in a live data. So here I'm opening a graph of Euro GBP. This line which is I have made, it's adaptive moving average. This moving average indicator is created by us. It's called AMA for detecting range bound market by peopleisliking.com. The star is so on a below is saying that the market is actually trading, and here it is called as a range bound market. This scenario is called as a range bound market, but here you see the line is in green. Its change is color from green to light green, so it's still in upward direction, but it is a range bound market. Now it's correcting. Now it's going to be a great market. It's a trading market. Now again here it is gone, miss the bar, miss the star, so it is a range bound market. So you can exit your position at here, but in a next candle it again is going in an upward direction, so you can take position after this candle. It is possible the trade is going on a downward direction for a lot of time. As you see, we are not exiting our position at here because it is going in still in a upward movement direction, so we are not exiting our position, we are continuing our position. But later here we are exiting our position because it changed its color to red. If you don't want to exit still here, then you can place your stop loss order at the low of this. If it goes below, then you, it is automatically exit. But it not goes below, you are still continue till the trend until it close below your low. But it again it's changed directions and it says it is a trading market, so we are continue with it. Here it is going on a range bound market, but it is green color, so we are not going to be out of here. We are still continue with the trend. Then it goes in upward direction till here. Okay, so here it is one, and here it is says the market is direction is going to be a change, it goes on a downward direction. You may exit here, but as rules you still place a stop loss order at the low of this. If on the next candle if it goes below it, then it may exit. But as you see, it's 0.86429 and the next candle the low is 8643, so it not cross the previous low. So still we are in a trend and it goes till it's a ranging bound, but it's in upward direction, so we are not exiting it here. And then here it comes, we are exiting at here. So it is only for detecting a trading market. This is not an actual trading strategy, but you can use it as an actual trading strategy also. But it gives a good result when you are using your original trading strategy, which are giving a good result in trading market. If your trading strategy says goes in upward direction, and with this adaptive moving average for detecting a range bound market is giving you a upward direction move, then you can buy, you can insert into the trend at here some point when it is on a range bound zone. Like here it is on a range bound zone. If your trading strategy suggests exit, you can continue your trend, you may continue trend. It is not necessary to exit or continue, but I am suggesting you can continue the trade till that. So it is a good, if you identify that market is trading, then it's a great trading strategy and that works very well for you. It gives you a good result and it gives you a proper guideline for your trading strategy, which is actually work very well in a trading market. In our next video I am going to show you the one of the great trading strategy of triple EMA crossover, and with the help of this EMA for detecting range bound market, how we are going to remove a false signal and going into the correct signal directions. So it is a good, if you like, in a pin editor we are, if you search for the EMA for detecting a range bound market by people is liking, you can get this and use with your trading strategy. If you have any queries and questions, please comment below. We will try to give you the proper answer. If you like our material, then please like us and share it with your friends. If you have any queries or any suggestions to improve our material, so please give us a feedback in a comment zone so we can improve our material very well. Till then, thank you very much and happy trading.